Welcome to my channel. Today we are collabing with Donmily. They sent me this water wave pre-color brown wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. I'll be showing y'all exactly how I got the look that I did get. Inside of the boxing they gave me a pair of eyelashes, a wig cap, and some hair clips, y'all. Definitely cute gifts. Y'all, I be loving the little gifts that comes with the wigs, but this is how the wig look. Very cute. I love the color. Like, it's just something about this color on my skin, y'all. It's definitely a 10 for me. But today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I got this easy middle part install, y'all. So let's get right into this video. So guys, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. I definitely loved it. As I mentioned before, I love the color on my skin. It's giving very much Beyonce little sister. But y'all, everything will be in the description box. Literally everything about this company. I love working with Donmily. They never disappoint. Everything will be in the description box, including my discount code. You can use my discount code when you purchase to get money off, sis. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you already haven't. We want to roll to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And I will see y'all in my next video. Also, sis, don't forget to go shop with Donmily hair, period. Like, look at it.